We had some freezing temperatures last week for 3 days, and look at my potatoes. Some of the leaves on the top are shot, but underneath there, they're doing pretty good. We had a lot of rain too. So I guess we're gonna learn this year exactly how that affects our crop. I got some more disturbing news to share as well. Look what the frost has done to my grapes. Boo-hoo. Now, these grapes, haven't even reached the trellis yet, but I'm assuming that it's just going to continue to grow. Maybe it'll shoot out from somewhere else. I certainly hope so. It's been about a week since I cut the tops off of these potatoes, and you can see everything's coming back pretty good. There's the old damage, and the potatoes are coming back pretty good. Now, whether or not it'll affect the production, I don't know yet, but I'm happy to see that they're still thriving. As for the grapes, I see maybe some new growth, very small amount. I'm not a grape professional, so I think they'll be okay, but we'll see. Another white grape plant that I had planted, it froze as well, you can see, but I did not cut it, and I got new growth on it already. So maybe I shouldn't have cut the other one. And the Mars red grapes have bloomed out and look pretty good. One of my peach trees is waking up really good, and the other one has yet to wake up. All my comfrey is really happy. Interesting thing though, this is purple, this is white, and this is pink. Yet they all came out of the same pack of seeds. Dwarf mulberry tree has already gotten back up to the roof, so it's probably put on nearly 2 feet of growth. The Olympian fig is waking up. Got a good bit of growth on it. The brown turkey fig starting to leaf out a little bit. I can't wait to see how much this thing grows this year. Y'all wouldn't believe it, but last year this thing was 6 inches tall. Now it's about 4 feet. Got little leaves coming on the muscadines. Those are going to be quite delicious this year. The strawberry planter is looking really good. We got flowers. Got new strawberries, or new babies. You see I got new babies down there. It's growing out really well. Even got some flowers down there. Can't wait to be eating some fresh strawberries. Walking in between 2 of the new cattle panels, look what's on the ground. Nice little strawberry plant. This is about where I had the strawberry pot sitting. So when I moved it, apparently one of them has worked its way down. The oregano is looking good. I'll try a bite. Oh yeah, looking good, tasting good. The blackberries, of course, covered in flowers and blackberries. They're not black yet, but they're definitely gonna be. And this thing is massive. It's even growing over to the neighbor's yard, but he said he was okay with that. I told him he could eat whatever comes over. The food's on the inside, Bertha. Silly birds. This is a good sign, guys. Frank the bee is back, and he is helping pollinate my blueberries. And look, way over here, a new blueberry plant sprouted about a foot away from the other one, which I'm excited about. You get her done, Frank. That's what I'm talking about. And right above here, I just put this in. I don't know how to tell if anything's living in there or not, but maybe this year some of the bees will live with me. This is the red goji. Last year a friend of mine gave me this, and it was literally a twig, and it has greened up really well. I really hope to see some fruit this year. Okay, I've got a question for you guys. Now, with my limited space, I have to plan out my garden the way I want to grow it. My kale is doing so good. It is absolutely gorgeous and very delicious. However, I need this bed to plant peppers and whatnot in. Should I pull it up even though it's growing good, or should I just wait? Well guys, I know that wasn't the most exciting video of the year, but spring has definitely sprung, and that is exciting. We'll be able to compare this to the beautiful green lush garden that's going to be there, full of vegetables, flowers all around the yard. You know, it's going to be amazing. Also, I'd like to say thank you to all my new subscribers. You guys are amazing. I appreciate you coming by. I hope you stick around. It's because of the Deep South Homestead Gathering, so thank you, Danny and Wanda. Thank you, Dan at Home in the Sticks, Stiver Family Homestead, VW Family Farm. You guys are awesome. Y'all help me out a lot. I truly appreciate and love each one of you. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Anyways, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, happy gardening.